Dear students, myself Dr. Dipti Srivastav, Associate Professor, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. Today we will discuss geological time scale. The geological time scale is a record of the life forms and geological events in Earth's history. Scientists developed the time scale by studying rock layers and fossils worldwide. Radioactive dating helped determine the absolute divisions in the time scale. Eon. Eon is the mega unit comprising a duration of half a billion years or more time. Eons, this is largest most general division of time. There are two eons. These are Cryptozoic eon or Precambrian eon and Phanerozoic eon. Era. Era is used to refer the duration of several hundred millions of years. Eras. Each eon is broken up into eras. Major eras in Earth's history are Archean. The duration of Archean eras is 4,600 million years ago to 2,500 million years ago. Second, Proterozoic era. Duration of this era is 2,500 million years ago to 540 million years ago. Third, Paleozoic, 540 million years to 250 million years ago. Mesozoic, 250 million years ago to 65.5 million years ago. And Cenozoic, the duration of Cenozoic is 65.5 million years ago to present. Periods. Each era is divided into even more specific blocks of time called periods. Various geological events are associated with each period. Each period is again classified into different epochs. Now, first eon of geological time scale is Cryptozoic eon or Precambrian time. This eon lasted from 540 million years ago to 4,600 million years ago. Oldest and longest, that is covers about 90% of Earth's history. In this eon, simple organisms like bacteria, algae, protozoans was born. Oldest rocks that we know were found in this eon, which dates to about 3.5 billion years old. Divided into two eras, Proterozoic and Archean era. Archean era. This era is lasted from 2500 million years ago to 4600 million years ago. In this era, earliest plants, that is marine algae, developed. The first life bacteria came into existence during this era, and they came into existence in 3800 million years ago. The oldest rocks were formed in this era, and the time was 3500 million years ago. Proterozoic era. This era lasted from 540 million years ago to 2500 million years ago. During this era, marine invertebrates were probably common, few with shells. Marine invertebrates like cnidarians, sponges, annelids, these were probably appeared during this era. Glaciations took place in this era, probably worldwide. Next eon, Phanerozoic eon. This eon began from 540 million years ago and is still continuing today. It is divided into three eras: Paleozoic era, Mesozoic era, and Cenozoic era. Paleozoic. Paleozoic means past. Paleo means past. The past life is denoted by Paleozoic era. Mesozoic era. Meso means middle. Middle life is denoted by Mesozoic era. Cenozoic. Ceno means latest or present. The present life denoted by Cenozoic era. Paleozoic era began 570 million years ago and ended 250 million years ago. This era is divided into 6 periods. The periods are Permian, Carboniferous, Devonian, Silurian, Ordovician, and Cambrian. So, in the era is, as you know, the era is divided into periods. And what is period? Period is used to cover hundred of million of years. And Paleozoic era is divided into 6 periods. For the first time on earth, organisms had hard parts, that is shells, exoskeletons. During this era, evolution and development of pteridophytes, amphibians, reptiles, fishes, wing bearing insects, trilobites, etc. Mesozoic era. This era lasted from 250 million years ago to 65 million years ago. Mesozoic era is popularly known as time of reptiles. It is divided into three periods: Triassic, Jurassic and Cretaceous. During this era, dinosaurs, mammals and gymnosperms appeared. Cenozoic era. From 65 million years ago to present days. Divided into two periods: Tertiary and Quaternary, and development of modern mammals, angiosperms and human beings. So, in history of earth, the whole geological time is divided into eons, eras, periods, epoch, and in this lecture I include eon and eras of geological time scale. In next lecture I will teach you different periods and epoch of geological time scale. Thank you.